Fire awareness training for employees is a program which has been developed to teach people in the workplaces within the region about basic firefighting elements. These will cover principles such as combustion of fire, different types of fire extinguishing media. This will be covered both in a theory and practical scenario. Delegates will do a theoretical session where they will be taught by qualified instructors on the elements of fire, fire triangle, combustion of fire, and also workplace safety. This will then lead from a theoretical session onto a practical session. Before the practical session, the delegates will put on personal protective equipment, which will cover fire retardant coveralls, safety boots, hard hats, glasses and gloves. They will then go to the fire ground where they will have a demonstration from the instructors on 4 main elements of fire. We'll cover things like Class A fire, which will cover things like woods, Class B fire, which will be fuels and gases, Class C fire, which will be electrical fires, and Class K fires, which is for cooking oils. If we look at things like the cooking oil, we'll do a demonstration of the fire blanket. The main principle is that the delegates will be able to understand the acronym of PASS, which is pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. And that effectively is the principle they'll use for extinguishing any type of fire. This will only be done also if it's safe to do so, because life is first priority. If the event that the fire gets too large, then they will be told that they should evacuate from the building, and we will also go through the process for evacuating of a building also. Our qualified instructors are there to do practical assessments. So predominantly we're basing our competency of the delegates based on what the instructor demonstrates to the delegate and what they understand, and also what they then do when they actually carry out the practical element of the course. At the end of each course, what will happen is the delegates will come back to the classroom once they've taken off their PPE, and they will then have to fill out a feedback form. The feedback form is there to be able to give us, Jaheziya, the idea of what their experience was when they were here at the training centre. And this will give us an idea of how satisfied our clients are, and it also means that there's an opportunity there for the clients to be able to give us feedback to ensure that we're making sure that we have a good quality service.